Hello, hello. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm here to show you how to register a B2B account on our site. Now, once you're here on the home page, you'll go up to the top, click on the products button, and once you get to our products page, you'll go to the top right corner, click the login button, and then click the register button. Once you arrive at our registration page, you need a few pieces of basic information to finish creating your account. The first thing you'll need is your account number, which you can get from your CSR or your salesperson. You aren't sure which yours is. Then you'll need a valid email address. You'll also need a password that fits all the relevant criteria on the right side of the screen right here. You also have the option to subscribe to our newsletter if you wish. But once you are good with your account, you hit the I accept button right here. And there you go. You've made your account. Now, once you've made your account, you're immediately able to log in. So select your shipping address, and there you are. You're now able to access your catalog. I hope this helps, and you enjoy the rest of your day.